Okay, so the road is very sketchy. Rental car is not enjoying it, and this might be the end. Like, I don't know if I want to go further. Let's see how it looks. Okay. The sand is getting mushier and mushier, so hopefully we don't get stuck. As I said, I don't have the right material for it. It's just I was coming in the region of San Diego and I wanted to see something impressive, to see something that is related to history. How was it discovered? Like, it's in the middle of nowhere. I know that it was luck, but the fact that there's a cave that you can find that has the perfect alignment, it's so impressive. Well, it gets very steep. It's going to be harder than it initially thought. There seems to be a lot of rocks, a lot of bushes. Seems to be a high season. I don't know if you can hear through this, but there's a permanent hum that is from all the bugs, all the bees. There's so much more life than I assumed there was going to be at the beginning. Maybe because it's winter, it's the end of February, so it might make it that there's a lot more luscious greens before it gets very dry. All the vegetation is so rough, so rugged, so hurtful. They keep spiking me. Okay, so I think we're getting at the junction where there's an important decision to make. And I forgot what I wanted to do. I think it's right there. That's what my instinct is telling me. Hiking is one of the most peaceful thing that I do. When it starts getting like pretty steep, big boulders to climb, you have to be focused. You have to not be what I'm doing right now, talking and climbing at the same time, but you have to be focused on the present moment. Have a little bit of trail, a little bit of cardio. I feel like I've done so much research. I know exactly where I'm at right now regarding the landscape. I know what type of curve I need to have, what type of mountains need to be in the front and the back. And hopefully with that I'll be able to find it. All looks the same. I don't know if I'll be able to find it. I think my plan is to go higher first because, to be honest, I don't know if I'm close or not. But my plan is to go high and then from there adjust if necessary. It seems like a potential good spot. Just gotta go a bit lower. Ouch, fuck. Starting to get my ass kicked by prickles. Oh, I think we're getting closer. I've been saying that. That's one of the things I always do every time I hike. I always say we're almost there, we're almost there. Even if there's like an hour left, we're almost there. Just good for the mental, you know? So I was talking out of my ass because I was looking at the wrong mountaintop to situate myself. I was wondering why it wasn't working. I think I have the right one now, but time will tell. Okay, so I think we might be. I've been walking for around 2 hours now and I'm enjoying myself. It's so beautiful. The temperature, the weather is perfect. Literally, it's perfect. It's like 20 degrees, nice sun. just outside enjoying nature, playing with the drone. And hopefully finding a Solstice cave. Okay, so I think we might be getting close. So I've just been messing up in a sense that I keep taking the wrong turn, but this time I think is the right one. It's a bit further again, but we'll see. This has to be it. Please, 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 please. Yes! Ah, found it. Oh, let's go. No way. Took so long. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on that hike. I had a blast. Honestly, the hike part, the puzzle part, the landscape part, it was all amazing. I had fun. And if you enjoyed yourself too, if you liked the different perspectives, that's what I want to try to bring along. I want to try to bring some third person perspective, GTA like. So if you enjoyed that, join along. I'll be doing a lot more of those. I'll be going back to Canada though in real winter, where I'll be doing some crazy hikes, but in snow. So it'll be a lot very different, very fun. So consider subscribing. Peace.